And the first thing is to go to buy proxies, then go to residential, then scroll down to these packages. And here I will select the one for $3.2 per gig. Then click buy now, which will open the order summary. Then scroll down to the bottom to where it says balance $4 and click pay. And this will show success right here. And you can see the traffic remaining and also a new balance on the top. Then after that, you have to add a sub account. Then enter the username and the password. And then allocate the traffic, which is 1 gig, then click save. Now you have to enter the details such as the country. As you can see, you've got a variety of countries from the United States, the UK, and other countries. Then select the city or state. Then select the protocol, which is SOX5 for me. And then on the rotation, you can select sticky IP or random IP. Then you select the time in either minutes or hours. In my case, I'm going to put 24 hours. So this means the IP will be available for the next 24 hours without changing. Then check the quantity, then also the format. And you also have the option for the API integration from PHP, Python, Node.js, Java, C++, and so on. Then after you're done, you go to generate and click on that. And this will generate a list of proxies that you can choose from. Select either one of them and copy them. So what we're going to do is to test our IP to find out if it works or not. And in this instance, we're going to use Flash ID. So go ahead and Google for Flash ID, download it and install it. And when you're downloading, make sure that you download the version that matches your computer or your system. So in my case, it will be Windows 64. After downloading, make sure that you install it and then create an account. So in my case, I've already have an account. So what I'm going to do is to create a new profile. And then I'll select Windows 10 under the system. Enter my profile name. Then add proxy. Go back to IPcook. Select and copy a proxy. Come to SOX5 and then paste it. And then after that, I'm going to click create. Now I've successfully created a profile. Then start the proxy, which will download a Chrome. Then I'll search for what is my IP so that I can check the IP address. So as you can see that my IP is from the United States, which means it works. And you can go back to IPcook and basically check the usage. Go to user states. And then you can check the data. As you can see, I've allocated 1 gigabyte. Then go to usage detail. And here you can see that I've used 204 kilobytes. So guys, that's how you can use IPcook. And again, thank you for watching this video. And until then, see you on the next one.